In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix Instagram invalid credentials problem. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get straight into the video.
So first you have to go to the settings app, and here you have to search for Instagram. Simply go to general and then click iPhone storage. Now scroll through and find Instagram. Once you find it, click offload app or delete app and then reinstall this app. Once done, you simply have to go to your Instagram app and then click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then it's going to open up this page for you. Now go to Account Center, and on this page you simply have to click Password and Security and then click Change Password. Now you simply have to choose your Instagram account over here and then click Forgot Your Password. Once you do so, it's going to send an email with a link to your Gmail account that you can use to reset your password. Simply go to your Gmail and click the link and click Reset Password. Now it's going to bring up this page for you, and here you can enter your new password and click Continue. And that's going to fix your problem.